Hey guys, welcome back to Diopti. Today we are going to talk about how to make someone the manager of Google Business Profile. To make someone a manager of a Google Business Profile, follow these steps. Number 1, go to your Google Business Profile. Number 2, click the menu icon 3 horizontal line in the top left corner. Number 3, select the setting. Number 4, click people and access. Number 5, click add. Number 6, enter the person email address. Under access, select manager or owner. And number 8, click invite. The person will receive an email with an invitation to join your Google Business Profile. Once they accept the invitation, they will be added as a manager of your profile.